stronger than I've been before. This is the part when I break free, 'cause I can't resist it no more. I pull up, roll the window down. I pull up, roll the window down. I pull up, roll the window down. I just bought a pistol, got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wet a block and watch them drown in it. 100 round drum and a down where I'm on it.
Run that back, turbo.
Playmakers. Okay. Out on my wrist, counted and spin it. Man at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it in limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New baby.
Oh my gosh. I hope I'm in focus. But y'all, I feel like I ain't sit down and talk in forever. So what we ready to do is to get ready with me. It is 9:57 on a Wednesday night. I got school in the next morning, but I'm ready to hurry up and try to one curl this wig. I didn't even do my edges enough because I just threw this wig on for the video so I can do get ready with me. I can tell y'all where I've been, all that, and we're ready to try to curl this wig, and we ready to see what's up. So I think, like how I do my longer wigs, I'm gonna separate it into two. I don't know how this really works, y'all. I really don't. I never curled a short bob before. I'm gonna put this Cream of Nature Argan Oil Heat and Shine Protector stuff. Ooh. I'm gonna put that in there. Oh, I think I just made my hair oily. Yo, really? I hate myself. So, where have I been? So what had happened was, for about the first week or two, I was just not feeling good. Like, not like I was sick, but just like my mind was not there mentally at all. I was not feeling good about anything. I was not feeling motivated. I was not feeling, oh my god, my wig's sliding back. I just wasn't feeling no type of way. So I didn't want to post. Like, keep it real, I didn't want to post because I wasn't feeling like myself. And usually when I don't feel like myself and I come on camera, that's why I don't post a lot, because when I don't feel like myself and then I come on camera and try to act like everything Gucci, peaches and cream, you can see, you can tell. So, and yes, this is up. So that's why I didn't post for the first 2 weeks. The second 2 weeks, my internet was off. So, I mean, I got a hotspot and all that, but it's hard to upload to YouTube with hotspot. So, we just didn't post. And then, yo, oh my god, this is so bad. This is so bad. We not even gonna curl it like that. Nope. Oh, my wig's sliding back. In this video, I'm trying to get this up tonight. But yeah, what was I saying? Oh, you can tell. So then after that, my internet was off, so I couldn't post. And then, yeah, here we are now. You see my wig sliding back. Don't say nothing. I don't care. It's 9 o'clock. I'm about to get in the shower, go to bed. It's not that serious. What has happened since I've been missing? Since I've been dead? I went to homecoming. Oh, y'all, it's the 9th. I mean, not, what? It's the 16th, y'all. And my birthday was the 2nd. And I was so upset that I couldn't post on the 2nd. Another reason why I don't post as constant as I want to, forget the whole I've been gone a month thing, just on a regular basis, is because I seriously don't be knowing what to post. Like, I got serious YouTuber block. You know how they got writer's block? I'll be having YouTuber block. Bad. I don't be knowing what to do. I don't be knowing what to post. Like, and the stuff that people give me recommendations to post, it's just like not me. Like, people be saying do reactions and do all of that, and I be like, yeah, let me think. But I don't want to do reactions. Like, I hate watching reactions. I hate them. It's not that they bad enough, it's just not my type of video to watch. And then like yeah, just basic stuff that people be telling me to do, I don't be wanting to do it because it's not my, what is it called, niche, whatever you call it. It just don't feel like me, and I'm not going to post a video even, oh my god, y'all see that? Even if that is what people want to see, at the end of the day, this is my channel, and I do this because it's my outlet, and I like doing it. I'm not gonna, even if y'all want to see something, if I don't want to do it, I'm not gonna do it, because at the end of the day, I'm the one that gotta record it, edit it, and all that. And if I don't like it, I'm not gonna do it. And speaking of not liking, another reason why I don't be posting like that is because I record a video, not like it, and never upload it. Y'all don't know, it's not that I don't record, it's just that I don't post. Y'all don't know how many videos I record all the time and they just never get posted because I seriously don't like what I'm watching, and I'm not gonna post no content that I don't like because I feel like I'm not giving y'all my 100%. So yeah, that's that. If you got, that's why I always at the end of videos I be telling y'all, like, if you got video suggestions, give them to me. And people, one person said they waiting for a shoestring method on my, well, I think that's what a ponytail, so I'm going to do that. Everybody been asking me since last year to do an edges tutorial, so I'm definitely going to do that. I wanted to do the spicy noodle challenge, but other than that, like, I don't really have nothing. And I was watching, what was it, Raven Elise's video, and she was saying how, like, for YouTubers, they should have like months of planning what they want to post in advance. And I don't even, she was like, because when you, like, this often happens with me, so I'm gonna take this advice. But she was saying, when you sit there and just like, you say, oh, I'm going to record today, and you sit there in front of your camera, you just try to get something to record, it's not going to come out how you want it to, and it's not, you're going to wind up not posting it or not liking it or whatever, because it wasn't planned out, like it wasn't thought of. So she was like, you should always have like months of planning what you want to do this day, all that ahead, that way so you can keep yourself on track and know what you're doing all the time. So I'ma just start planning ahead. I mean, I do plan ahead, but not like how I should. So and I really do like doing this. Like, this is like beyond a passion. It's like what I want this to be my lifestyle. Like, I want this to be what I do for a living. When people ask who is Jordan, I want them to say, oh, that's the YouTuber, that's the person on YouTube, all that. That's the person on Instagram. Like, I want to do this for a life, but I can't do it if I'm not applying myself. Because I feel like, oh, I also hit 3,000 subscribers. Thank y'all so much. And I wasn't posting. I think that's so crazy. But I just feel like if I applied myself and post it every other day like how I used to, or every day like how I want to, or even just twice a week, I would have so many more subscribers. I feel like I would at least be, at 8K. At least. I probably would be over that, but at least. Because when people come to pages, I know for me, If I see you ain't posted in a week, 2 weeks, well, maybe not a week. That's OD. But like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I'm not going to subscribe to you because you're not consistent. And I only want to watch people who's consistent. I don't want to subscribe to you and then be waiting a month for you to post again. So I just gotta be consistent. I gotta stay on track. Yo, tell me I'm not giving y'all, like, I'm a mom, not mother, not mother, not ma. Tell me I'm not giving y'all a mom. I'm like a light skin. Think of my skin lighter than what it is, and I'm a mom. Like, I live in like Orange County, or like not Beverly Hills, but like somewhere upscale but not too upscale, like Orange County, Laurelville, Laurel, Maryland. Like, I live like that. I drive like a minivan or like a coupe or something. I take my kids to daycare every day. I call my son my king, like my king. Y'all didn't know if y'all in the Baltimore area. I make wigs. I made this on my head. I make anything you see on my head with hair, I made it myself. So I do $50 for $50 for closures, $75 for frontals, and $50 for U-parts and other little stuff like that. Coloring, wait, not coloring. I don't do coloring. Bleaching is just 20. I think, was it 15? I don't know. Bleaching is either 50. Bleaching is either 15 or 20. I can't remember. I just burnt myself. But whatever it is, hit me up. And I would do my edges, but I'm about to go to bed. So we not gonna put no type of gel on them. We just gonna act like we slick them down and keep it pushing. Oh my gosh, y'all. People is really, my city really getting crazy. Crazy. People dying every day. It don't matter who you are, where you from, where you live at. People really, like, you could be walking down the street and get shot. Like, some people do it with reason. Some people do it without reason. I mean, it's really no reason, but you know what I'm saying. Like, some people just don't got no aim and they be trying to shoot at other people. And then if you happen to be in a crossfire, you get hit. And some people just do it for fun. Like, they just like shooting random people up. But my whole thing is, if you ain't got no aim, baby, you don't need to be shooting nothing. And a lot of boys, nobody fights no more. Y'all don't fight because y'all scared. Like, come on now. Don't nobody want to fight no more, because don't nobody know how to take a loss. Don't nobody know how to sit there and just lose. Like, y'all gotta be extra with it. I would just burn myself. You don't win every fight. Some fights you lose, some fights you win. But y'all can't keep being scared to fight and just banging up the city. Like, come on now. You got grandmothers getting hit, children, babies. It's crazy out there for a pimp. It's really crazy out there. Oh, I just brushed the curves out. Oh, Jordan. Now I look like I'm a wet dog. Like I just got wet in the rain or something. Alright, so I'm gonna also make a video on how I make my wig. I mean, not make my wigs. How I put my wigs down, my braid pattern and all of that. I already made a video on how I lay my clothes and stuff, but I do it again because people still ask me for a video like I don't already have a. That's another thing that irritates me, y'all. If I already got a video up and you ask me can I post it, it's just irritating. It's irritating. Like, before I ask anybody anything, I always check to make sure it ain't done, make sure they ain't said it before, make sure anything. Y'all need to start checking because it's nothing more irritating. I don't believe my camera, I mean my SD card just ran out of space. Like, excuse you, I'm working here, baby. But yeah, usually when I put this down, I take the blow dryer and I'm more precise and specific about how I want it to lay and all of that. But I just told y'all that I'm ready to go to bed, so I don't care. Jordan don't care. And I never lay my edges like this, but you know, they be looking better when I go out in public. Don't think I walk out like this in public now. I don't know if I want it tucked in or tucked out. I'll figure it out when I go to school tomorrow. But, alright y'all, now I'm ready to go get in the shower. I mean, take this wig off, get in the shower, do what I gotta do, eat, go to bed because it's now 10:19. I'm gonna edit this video after I get out the shower, and I'm gonna post this. Even if I post it at 12 o'clock, I'm posting this video. So yeah, comment what y'all like to see. I don't know what this is white on my head. Comment what y'all would like to see, what y'all would like me to do in my future videos. I really am going to try to start applying myself because this is what I want to do. Seriously, this is like my passion. So yeah, I guess I'll see y'all guys in my next video. Bye.